Yeah, hello. Today I want to show you here how to recharge the battery of these JBL free in-ear headphones. So these are Bluetooth headphones, and the way to charge these actually works a little bit different than regular Bluetooth headphones. And the difference that we have here is that there's not just one battery like in any other Bluetooth headphone. This here comes actually with 3 batteries total. So there's one battery here in each headphone. That makes it 2, and then there's a third battery here in this charging cradle. So that makes it a little bit different. So let me show you how this is done. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to charge this cradle, and you do that by using a micro USB cable, like the cable that came with these headphones. And you have here on the side, you have here this little flap that you can open, and you just connect here your cable. You do that carefully, like this, and then you just take the other end and you connect this to like a charging cube from your headphones, or I'm using here the charging cube from a different speaker, Bluetooth speaker that I have. I'll just plug this in, and now as soon as you do this, you see here these little 4 LEDs down here. They may be lit up, or they may be, one of them may be blinking, and this is the charging status of the charging cradle here. So the battery inside of this is almost full, so it's just charging the very end of it, so it's almost fully charged. And now, in order to charge the battery inside of these earpieces here, you just plop these in here. So here you see the right one goes to the right, and then here the left one, the one for the left goes into the left. And now, as soon as these earpieces are charging, you can see here there's this little white light here on the top of each headphone, and as long as this light is on, that means the earpiece is being charged. So when the light turns off, that means that the battery in each earpiece is fully charged. Okay, so now the good thing is that this charging cradle comes with its own battery, because that means when you have the cradle here charged and you're not at home, so you can actually use your headphones, and as soon as the headphone batteries are empty, you just put them back into the cradle here. And since the battery in the cradle is charged, even though you don't connect the USB cable here, it is still possible to charge the earpieces themselves. Yeah. Okay, so this is already it, how to charge the JBL free headphones. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and otherwise then please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other YouTube videos.